So I got the solar panel for the Toyota Tundra. So what I did, I wet it. I'm cleaning it from the hood. I'm gonna make sure I get it nice and clean. I'm gonna clean all this area. This is where the solar is gonna go, and let's get going. Here's the solar box. I'm gonna open it up. It's a big box. I think these are tapes that they sent me, and it's gonna look great. So I think this is gonna work perfect, and stay tuned. So I got it dried out. I'm gonna put it right here. Shout outs to Lensun, Lensun Solar, for providing the solar and giving me a good discount. So I cleaned it nice and wiped it out nice and clean. Make sure it doesn't have no dirt, nothing like that. So it looks good. So here's the solar from Lensun Solar. I got the instructions here, pretty explanatory. And then I got the tape here. Here's the painter's tape that I'm gonna hold it. They send me instructions here for the hood, for the solar. And I'm gonna put the vinyl first. I got the soap here with water, and let's do this. So first I lay it out, make sure it's gonna fit perfectly. It looks like it is gonna fit perfectly. From here, good guys. So I installed the vinyl, and the vinyl came out nice and beautiful. You can see. I'll make sure I took all the water hose off, so it came out perfect. So now I put the tape. It came out nice. Look at this, back of the solar. So now I'm gonna glue it, and it's gonna look awesome. So I put a lot of rows, and then I'm gonna put an adhesive on the corner, so just to make it a good protection. But it came out nice. So I'm gonna install it, and I'll let you know. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so what I did, I used a cardboard box to hold down the pressure. To put some weights, I put some molds and some dumbbells. So you can see I used the shipping box that came in with. It worked perfectly. So we're gonna leave it sit down overnight, but around like 1 p.m. tomorrow we'll actually take this off, and we'll be able to connect the other device on top of that. But look at this, it's perfect. It's holding. Hey guys, so now I'm gonna put the Sikaflex on the edges so I can make it more tighter. I'm gonna give you the results right now. I'm gonna use this thing to actually make it faster, so stay tuned. So I took the cover from the fuses, and I'm gonna put the stuff here. I'm gonna connect it here. I'm cleaning this area too with some battery corrosion prevention. And then as you can see, I installed it already. Put the screws. I'm gonna run the wire to the top. Here's the wire, and it's looking good so far. Hey, so I got the wire connected. So I went through, see that I connected it here, went through here, here, and then here's a Lensun Solar MPPT. I put a little thing on top of it so it wouldn't get loose, and then I let this one, I'll put tape later, and it's connected through here, and I connected to the battery here. I zip tie it. I did some zip ties with the baggie that they gave me from Lensun. Also, shout outs to Lensun for giving me a great solar panel for the car. And then I downloaded the I don't know if you guys can see it, but I downloaded the amp, and it's charging. Look at that, beautiful. It's charging well, 42 watts. Battery is normal, load at 13.8 load. See that? It's charging beautiful. And you can see the light blinking in the bottom. See the green light here? It's blinking. That means it's charging. And it doesn't even get hot. So it worked perfectly here when I put it on together. So it worked perfectly. Stay tuned. I'm going to test it. So these are the devices that are going to be powered. I'm going to add more on top of that. I'm going to have extra power. I'm going to show you. Here's the results. Beautiful. Came out nice. I put the sealant on the bottom all the way around just to make it more secure. But overall, I mean, it looks perfect. Look at that. Nice and clean. Once again, thanks to Lensun Solar, and everything came out nice. Installation came out perfectly. It's charging, and I'll be putting the description where you guys can get this at below price. And you guys give them a call, see if your car fits one of these. And I usually did it because I don't want to get stranded out there in the woods or mountains. I want to make sure that I got power, especially when I want to turn the car back on, that I don't run out of juice. So come on, good, nice and clean. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.